AI native learning is one of the fastest growing categories in consumer AI right now. Tools like Camingo and Screen Companion Assistants are proving people want AI that teaches them inside their actual work, in their real workspace, not just in a chat box. But they all share one problem. Almost none of them can tell you if you are actually doing the right thing or if you're actually getting the task right. There's no way to verify what you actually did. They take your word for it. Nextly doesn't. Nextly is a live tutor that verifies your real workspace instead of trusting your report. We built the entire app, the server, the Notion integration, and the verification logic using Codex. GPT 5.6 shaped the design during development, how we structured the verification checks, and how corrective feedbacks should sound. Live coaching in the demo runs on Gemini, but every pass and fail decision comes from deterministic code checking real Notion API states, never from an LLM's guess. Here's how it works. For the sake of the demo, we're not able to build custom goals right now, but we would be using these template goals here. You can choose from any one of these, and I will be taking the build a habit tracker in Notion. You click on it and it's setting up the guided build. The habit tracker is open and Nextly guides you on your goal, which is to build a habit tracker in Notion. Tells you exactly how you should do it, giving you the steps and your path. You can also come down here and ask Nextly if you need a hand or you are confused on what to do. Verify your step and Nextly tells you what to do next. We are going to be going to Notion now to test out the first step. So from here, Nextly's first step is to click an empty inline box and type database and just database inline. On Notion, we're going to come here and do just as Nextly has said. It's habit tracker. Then coming back to Nextly to verify our step and confirm if what we actually did was captured and was correct. Nextly checks it, verifies that what we actually did was correct, and guides us into the next step, which it gives us a step-by-step process on how to go about it. Doing exactly the step that Nextly already showed us, but for the sake of proving that Nextly actually works, we're going to be adding a different property, and we verify the step. Nextly flags it as not verified yet because we've not done what we were supposed to do and what we are supposed to achieve. So we've done exactly what Nextly said. We changed the state property to a checkbox and named it completed. We're going to confirm it in Nextly to verify step. Nextly verifies the step as correct and takes us to the next step. So here's what we have in Notion. We're going to go back to Nextly and verify the third step, and it was confirmed verified because it is exactly what Nextly told us to do. And then we are allowed on the final path, which we are going to do in Notion now. So here we are already adding now 3 pages. We are going to add 2, then go back, check it. Just confirm what Nextly is going to do. We're verifying the last step, and Nextly exactly flags it that we added 2 and we really need to add one last one. We'll go back here and add that last page to verify the step, and voila, it works. All 4 steps verified and tagged as complete. So going back, this is exactly what Nextly does, and you can also select the other workflows and test out Nextly. We also have practice challenges where you can also build your skills by yourselves and improve your skills. On practice challenges, you can also go to your progress and see how far you've gone, your verified builds, your practice score, and your current level. You can see your levels, and you can also go here to your work slab, which shows you how many things you've built, so you can keep track of. We started with Notion because its API gives us real ground truth to verify against. No screenshots, no guessing. But the pattern isn't Notion specific. The real targets are tools where being wrong isn't obvious. Automation logic, formulas, database relationships, places where it looks right and is right aren't the same thing. Notion proves the mechanism works.